All right, this is For What It's Worth by Buffalo Springfield. We're going to have a harmonic to start. So we have the 12th fret of the smallest string harmonic. And if you haven't done harmonics before, you want to just touch the string. Don't press down like we're making a note. Just put your finger right above the actual fret itself. And you'll get that harmonic overtone there. We go 12th fret to 7th fret. And try to get those to ring out nicely. Okay, so that's the thing that happens a lot kind of in the background of the tune. Now we're going to have an E major to start and an A. Okay, now one little easy thing you could do in there, you can go. So that's an open to 2 on the 2nd string into the little string open. So I hit the E, and I did the little riff, and then I hit the A. And see, with that A, you can kind of use that same finger you're doing the chord with. So there's kind of a cooler way you can do it with more of a bassy kind of a riff thing. We got. Okay, so that starts with the big 2, and then take your ring finger on the G string, slide this 4 to 6, kind of quick, into that 5 on the 2nd string, slide it down, and go to the A. So that was your chord change there. So it's like E, A, same riff, to the E. Okay, so I'll do that one more time, nice and slow. So we got. And then we're going to get into the chorus, because that's going to go like 4 times for a verse. We're going to have. Okay, that's our little chorus. Stop, people, what's that sound? All that. So we got 2 E's. And then we have a D with a little open on the bottom. So D, sus2. We're going to go jang, jang, jang. So it's like, stop, people, what's that sound? Now this is the A, the 2's from an A to that sus and back. That's a little 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And then we're going to go. Because they bring in a C note in there into the kind of vocal harmony there. So we're going to add that to our chord to give us a little something special here. So big 2 with the 5 right there. 3 strums at the end. So once again, chorus, we got. Back to the E to A. Okay, and then it's the same type of stuff. You got your verse with that riff. And you're doing your E to A chords and stuff. And then we get into the chorus again. Okay, so we have the first E chord. So we have open to 2 on the B string, little 4, and then 2 open on the little one to 3 on the 2nd. So, and then 2 O, 2 O, kind of a little bends here. Kind of pull off there. Do that thing twice more. 2 to little open, and then we got a little slide into this 5. Little bluesy little stuff there, and then we got. Same thing, 2 more riffs of this. 2 O, and then kind of bend that 2 a little bit that time. Okay, so let's go through all that again. We got. Okay, and then we got another verse. Now this one kind of switches up a little bit. It's kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Little 2 open on the 2nd string. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2 open. right, and then on this chorus, we have those same types of fills. We got the... Now we just have kind of a different solo going on. So we're going to slide into this 5, 3, 5, kind of a bend. Got another one, then we got a 3, and then we got a pull off to that lower 5. So it's like a... Back to the 3, 5. 3, 5, 3 there to that 4, and then we're back into another verse. Now this one has little fills, little bends and a pull off on that G string 2nd fret thing, and then after that we have like a kind of a hammer into that big 2 a couple times. Hold that, and then we're gonna get into the more into those kind of riffs and stuff right there. Then we get into our last chorus. We basically have those same types of fills, like gets into like 3 repeats of that. Okay, and it kind of fades out on that E to A type thing. So let's take a look at what we got. We had those harmonics. Okay, so you can practice that a lot. That's a fun one, just play along with the record with that. Okay, then we have our E to A as our basic chords. We had a simplified version of with that little open to 2 in the 2nd string, hammer on into the little open bottom string there, so. And then the A. Or we had the more difficult riff, which is a little trickier, a lot cooler. Okay, we had that. Our first chorus was... Okay, and then we're back into the E to A stuff. Then we had... Second chorus had the fills. Okay, so that's basically all your good stuff. You can jam around a little bit with the blues and stuff. You got your E minor pentatonic scale we use for the blues things. Try some little bends and kind of cop the feel how they were doing on that. Okay, so for what it's worth, Buffalo Springfield. This will have a tab with it. Hope you all dig it. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.